So in this episode, we will be using the Google Classroom in making and doing breakout rooms in the Google Classroom. So as you can see in my screen, I already generated the Google Meet link because this is the first thing that we need to have in order for our breakout rooms to happen. Okay, next one. When you are here already and generated your Google Meet link, you will go to classwork, then click create, and then you need to click another topic. So let's say your topic would be breakout room 1. Okay, and then click add. Okay, so this is now your breakout room 1. What you need to do is to another create again a material. Okay, so you will have a title for this one, breakout room number 1, and then you list here the name of students by which breakout room number 1 will belong. For example, a student 1, a student 2, a student 3, and then you provide here the Google Meet link. Now for the Google Meet link, what you need to do is you need to go back to the generated Meet link, which is this one. What we need to do is to copy this one, okay, and then we'll go back to the classwork here, and then let's edit the material, and then let's paste it here. Then what we need to do is to just edit this one. For example, you need to edit for that one a group 1 breakout room. So this is now the link by which the students will click, okay, for them to go to their breakout room. So for the topic here, you click breakout room number 1, and then you post. Then as you can see, they are now in breakout room number 1. I will edit this one because this should be a breakout room name. Okay, there. So if you would like to add another breakout room, like for example you have 2 groups, so you just click again create, then material, and then you title it as breakout room number 2. Then you list the students who will belong to group breakout room number 2, like student number 4, student number 5, student number 6, and then the Google Meet link, you paste it again here, and then you edit the last portion. So let's say for example natural resources, one, two, three, four, five, six, and whatever number or letter you would like to have. So here we go again to the topic, then you click breakout room and then post it. So as you can see here, so you have now the breakout room. Now for example, you would like to have 5 groups, so you just follow the steps that we have made. So for example, the students now will go to breakout room number 1. What they need to do is just to click this link, and there you have it. They are now in the breakout room number 1. And for group number 2, they just need to click it again, and as you can see, they are now in breakout room number 2. So as a teacher, what you need to do is just to facilitate and open these breakout rooms and to check if the students are really discussing the things that you would like them to discuss or activities that they need to do. Okay. So I hope that you learned something from today in making the breakout rooms in the Google Classroom connected to the Google Meet. So that would be all for today, and I wish you all the best, and see you again in my next video.